We're gonna start court.
Good morning. The 36th District Court in the state of Michigan is now in session. The Honorable Judge Marlena Taylor is now presiding. At this time, there will be no talking, no smoking, no chewing gum, no eating or drinking, no sleeping or laying down, no driving or riding in a motor vehicle. Please keep your device on mute until addressed by staff. Also, keep your device on a level surface so that your face may be seen. Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. Now calling the matter of the people versus Paul Zammit.
Good morning, Your Honor. Lawrence LaSalle, 71355.
Let me call it though. Let me put the
I'm
numbers
sorry.
on.
Sorry, Your Honor.
It's okay. Now, it's the people versus Paul Zammit. This is ticket SP 1370442, count 1. Stop street or intersection failed to stop. Count 2, expired plate. Appearance for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Lawrence LaSalle, 71355 on behalf of Mr. Paul Zammit.
All right, and I do see we have police officer Fitzgerald Harris. Can you please state your name for the record?
Yes, Officer Fitzgerald Harris, badge 1442.
All right, thank you so much. This is the date and time set for a formal hearing. Will your client be present with us today, attorney?
No, Your Honor, I'm requesting respectfully to waive his presence as I have authority.
All right, the court is going to allow you to do so. These are civil infraction matters. Did we reach a resolution in this?
Yes, Your Honor, I was told that the offer is they would dismiss the count 1, which is failed to stop for a stop sign, and my client would plead responsible to count 2, expired plates.
And so at this time, I'm going to read from the ticket that on the date of July the 6th, 2022, in the area of West Grand Boulevard and Porter Streets in the city of Detroit, Mr. Zammit was driving a Dodge vehicle and it did have expired plates. Satisfied, attorney?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, stipulation for probable cause on the remaining count to be dismissed.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, thank you so much. So at this time, the court's going to enter a plea to expired plates. I'm going to dismiss the count 1, failed to stop. Sir, the fine for that is $145. Your client has 14 days to pay that. So that's going to be on September 15th, 2022. Okay, September 15th, 2022.
Thank you. Thank you, Your Honor. Thank you, officer.
Sir,
You're very welcome. Have a good day.
You as well, Judge. Thank you.
Thank you. Be safe, officer.
you too, Your Honor.
Yeah, thank you. We're just waiting. You can chill out, Miss Beth. We're just waiting now.
Thank you. I'll be right here doing some work.
I know you will. That's why I was letting you know, like, go ahead.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Attorney Faulkner?
Yes,
Okay, I sent you over an offer for Candace Williams. When you get done, can you send her out into the main session?
okay, now I can't, in the breakout rooms, they're all empty as far as my screen. I need a chance to get in there and see who's in the different rooms.
Can you see them now?
There we go. Thank you.
Okay. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna have to call, call, Okay. Everybody on your face. Oh. They turn around like. Oh.
She's been doing that, Your Honor.
Miss Edwards?
Yeah.
I couldn't bring her out. Miss Williams, Candace Williams.
Oh, okay. I see it.
We're ready for a plea on that.
Okay.
Ms. Williams?
Yes, that is me.
Ms. Beth, are you ready?
Yes, I am.
I'll call you the matter of people versus Candace Williams. This is ticket number P1262618. This is count 1, violation of license restriction. Count 2, 21 to 25 miles over posted speed. Count 3, no proof of insurance. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Paul Faulkner, P 22994, representing the defendant respondent. Your name, ma'am?
My name is Candace Williams.
Your Honor, there's an offer on the count 2 speeding. It's reduced to limited access, 5 over, 16 to 55. The other 2 are to be dismissed. My client accepts that offer with tender plea of responsible.
Is that right, Ms. Williams?
That is correct.
All right, reading from the ticket to establish the factual basis. On the date of October the 12th, 2021, in the area of West Chicago and Sahalan Streets in the city of Detroit, Ms. Williams was driving a Chevy vehicle and did exceed the speed limit doing a limited access 60 and a 55 mile per hour zone. Satisfied, Attorney Faulkner?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
All right, the other 2 counts are civil infraction. Oh, no, one's a misdemeanor. Is there a stipulation for probable cause on the remaining counts to be dismissed?
Yes, Your Honor.
So at this time, the court's going to enter a plea to the amended charge, plea of responsible to the amended charge, limited access, 60 and a 55 mile per hour zone. Counts 1 and 3 of this ticket are to be dismissed. Ms. Williams, the fine for that is $125. Typically with civil infractions, you have 14 days to be able to pay that. Is that going to be enough time for you to pay that 125?
Unfortunately, that will not be enough time for me to pay that.
Okay, how much time do you need, Ms. Williams?
Can I have till the end of the month of September?
Yes, I'm going to give you till October 3rd, 2022, okay?
Okay, that's beautiful. Thank you.
You're welcome. If there's nothing further, you're all set. Good luck to you, Ms. Williams, and slow down,
Yeah. Thank you, Judge.
okay?
I promise.
Okay. All right, Ms. Williams. You have a good day, okay?
You have a better one and be safe, okay?
You too. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
You need me to get you off?
Yes, because I don't know if I leave and y'all give me the boot. I don't know what happens here. I don't go to court.
I'm gonna go ahead and let you out, okay?
Did you say something about David isn't right? That was that. All that still. Oh, remember? He's the one who couldn't show up to the stuff that he did out of David. He lived in David. I think it's this. Acknowledge the baby. This is first try. Take it that day. And I say, you got it, I let you. And I told you had to make sure that you were there. I said,
You know, and there's,
I'm doing the second right now. Mary, I'm doing it. It's okay.
Yeah. No, you did, okay. Okay. You gotta. Oh, oh. Do they get one though? I don't know.
Don's iPhone. You don't have sound?
Yeah, all these extra things. You got one on the back. You got all these different ways. Look, you got all these. You got all these. One day.
that must be Whitaker, Don. Don's iPhone, what's your name?
Cause I ain't no way to go. You must have a mom.
You have to unmute it, Don.
Okay, Don Wilkerson.
Your last name is Wilkinson?
Yes.
Okay, I'm gonna sign you and hold one moment.
Put that card up. You can pop that in there.
What is your middle name?
Jose.
Okay, you're signed in.
Okay. All right. Thank you.
Mr. Wilkerson, you're going to be placed into a breakout room. It's a
Okay.
place- It's a place where you're gonna be all alone, waiting to talk to the attorney, Mr. Faulkner, about your case and about your rights.
Okay.
You're
Okay.
gonna be there- You're gonna be there a while, could be up to 2 hours, so be patient.
Okie dokie.
When you receive the invitation to join, press join, and it will take you to the breakout room.
Okay. Thank you.
Are you driving, sir?
Yes.
You're gonna have to pull over.
Okay. I'm pull over real soon. I didn't realize till I got to the courthouse that this was a Zoom meeting. So that's why I'm in the car.
Okay.
Don't look at the screen while you're driving.
I won't.
John Wilkerson.
Attorney Faulkner,
Yes,
I sent you an offer for Carolyn Israel. Officer Hale is in, Judge Perkins' courtroom, right now, but he did check in.
okay. You have an offer? You said it, you sent me?
Yes, I just sent it to you.
Okay, thank you.
There you go.
Good morning, Your Honor. May I ask you a quick question?
Yes, you can.
Thank you. I didn't want to interrupt anything. I've got a ticket on a Robert Zelinski.
Yes.
Is that up for a hearing today? Because
It's just up for a, pre-trial.
oh, okay. Because I was going to say I wanted to talk to the trooper involved in this.
It's just up for a pre-trial, so we didn't know if you wanted to offer anything or if you just wanted to, set it for a bench or a pre-trial.
Is anyone speaking? Is Mr. Faulkner speaking with? These are,
Mr. Faulkner will be, so if If he's not in the courtroom, when he comes back in the courtroom, I can have you talk to him really quickly. so you
That
can
would be
share.
great. Yeah, I'd like to, because otherwise I think I might have the seriousness of this, I might need to go to.
Okay.
Thank you.
When I see stuff like that, you already know.
Thank you, thank you. I have to check into Garrett's real quickly, but I'll zoom right back in.
Do that, APA code. We'll see you in a little while.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Thank you.
Bum, 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 bum. Are we expecting the city attorney sometime this morning, I hope?
Yeah, she checked in, but then she had to leave and go to Judge Garrett's courtroom, so she's gonna come back. She wants to talk to you.
Okay, I'm ready for her. We don't have any other offers?
I'm getting them over right now. I'm sending you 3 more.
All right.
Did you need to talk to the city or the state? I thought you said state.
City, I'm on Israel, I believe that was city. Carolyn, Israel, we had the offer. Yeah, that's Gillis.
Okay.
He's in the courtroom.
Okay, let me just grab the file, Mr. Faulkner.
Yes, sir. How you doing, Mr. Gillis?
I'm doing well. How about yourself?
Doing well. Now that I've seen you and knowing you're gonna make everything right.
Here you go.
So Israel. Okay, so yeah, it looks like there's an improper place. Does she have insurance?
She does not have the car. She sold it. And the person did not take it to the Secretary of State and switch title. Been over a
Okay.
year. It's been over a year since she got rid of the car. And
Does she have, like,
unfortunately, it was her son.
Oh, okay. So probably no bill of sale then in that kind of a
I doubt it.
transaction.
I doubt it.
Well, I mean, it still is kind of her responsibility. I mean, it's,
Well, the responsibility is to go to the Secretary of State with the buyer and make sure the title is transferred, because I know we're a title state and,
right.
but realistically speaking, there's one person between you and I who did the same thing, and I don't think it was you. I think it was me, did the same thing and got in trouble for it.
Okay, gotcha. Well, how about this? You said it was a year ago. Does she have insurance for the vehicle she's driving now?
Let me get right back to you.
All right, because yeah, that would be sufficient.
Okay,
All right, thanks, Mr. Faulkner.
thank you. See Carolyn.
Hello?
John?
Mr. Winham?
Hello? Yeah?
Mr. Winham?
Yes.
Okay, you finally made it. Okay, have you checked in? I'm gonna place you in that breakout room. We talked
Mr.
about
Faulkner, can
earlier.
you and I
Could you hear me now? Could you hear me now?
Yes, I can.
You can?
Yes, Mr. Winham. I'm gonna place you in that breakout room we discussed earlier, okay?
Okay, so, okay, long as my picture's showing up, I should be still on.
Oh, yes, we see you on the telephone.
Okay.
Okay. Attorney Faulkner, are you ready on anyone?
Paula wants me to talk about Zelensky.
Okay.
Uh,
Do you all need
She wants
to go
me-
into a breakout room?
yes,
Okay.
Thank you.
So Attorney, Faulkner, you're going to breakout room 1. I'm gonna put, APA code in there.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay.
John, you down on the potato?
I think I did.
What you been
It's,
doing?
I think it's called like Cajun chicken one or
Okay.
something.
What
So
comes on
it's,
it?
it's chicken, bacon, cheese, and Cajun butter.
Cajun butter.
Cajun butter, yeah, so, Not
Cajun
sure.
Chicken Bayou.
yes, there you go, Cajun chicken bayou, you know?
So it's upstairs.
Hey, I have mine upstairs, but sure. Yep.
Can you get Keith Whittingham out of 113? 113. You did a breakout, right? Now back here, to when you just did it, you take you the breakout. Stay in that breakout. Don't leave until you see that time. Okay? They're gonna be breakout room 15. Stay. Okay. All right. Thank you. left and right.
Yeah.
Hello? Mr. Winham, I'm going to put you into
I gotta wait
order.
on Mr. Fogg.
Okay.
He's gonna give me an
Okay.
answer.
Yeah, 21 ticket.
Yep.
Attorney Faulkner, are you ready on anyone? Last four digits, 5955. What's your name? Five nine five five.
Hello?
Yes. Mr. Wyndham? Is this Keith Wyndham? Mr. Wyndham?
Hello?
Mr. Wyndham?
Yes? I want to ask you a question. Do I supposed to hang up the phone, the 929 number I dialed?
Mr. Wyndham, call the courtroom. Call the courtroom.
Okay.
965.
Okay, I'll call it. All right.
965-2293. You didn't get the rest of the phone up. Okay, you're going to. If you won't say it, you keep saying that. So we need to talk, if you need to talk, it's we said stay in the court and stay in the breakout room. Why do you keep leaving the breakout room? No. You cannot keep leaving out of the breakout. You don't. question, Ms. No, when you dial the 929 number, put in the ID number, I place you in the breakout room, you keep leaving out of the breakout room. Stay in the breakout room. Now, we're gonna give you a date. Hold on one second. Whatever the date is. Just bring up the date for you to come to the court. Hold on. Mr. Window? September 14th at 8:30. Yes, sir. Yes, at 8:30 in the morning. Come to the courtroom. Courtroom 337. You're welcome. I need to ask you a question.
I'm gonna bring Solinsky out.
Okay. Yeah, because he's what, 50, 52, 52. He'll be 52. Excuse me.
Attorney Faulkner? Attorney Faulkner, are you ready on anyone else?
Yes, we're just going to set a trial date on Zelensky.
Okay.
Oh, there's Beth. Hi, Beth. Looks like Beth's been in Florida.
Yeah, we're ready on Solinsky.
Oh.
So not guilty.
Okay, did you speak? What about Carolyn Israel?
I'm sorry,
Have you spoken with Carolyn Israel?
Israel.
Yes.
Hal, and let's see what we were doing. Israel, let's see. William, well, Baldwin. Yeah, Israel, Carolyn.
Yes.
Yeah, I need to speak to Mr. Gillis.
Okay, let me place her back into the breakout. Miss Israel, can you go back into your breakout room, please?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you so much.
Does it send me back there automatically or do I click breakout room?
Click breakout room. It'll
Okay,
take you to the we're in. Thank you.
thank you.
Guess the judge took a short break, Paula.
Oh, no problem. Unfortunately, it's been kind of a quiet morning for me. I'm just shocked. I'm enjoying it so I can spend a little more time looking over these cases.
Huh.
Good morning, Mr. Selinsky.
Good morning.
We're just gonna get a trial date on that.
Christopher Williams.
Attorney Faulkner, were you ready on anyone else, or that was it?
That's all I have so far. I'm looking for Christopher Williams on my sheet. You sent me the offer, but, oh, here we are.
Right.
I've got it.
8:45? Okay.
I got it. Mary,
Yes.
on Christopher Williams,
Uh-huh.
there's one ticket, 3 counts listed on the docket. And on the offer, there's 20 counts
Yes,
listed.
he has several other tickets that he got. That has, all those other tickets have future court dates on it.
Okay.
So you
Okay.
know the judge like to pull all the tickets when they come to court. Those are
Yes,
all
I do. And
yeah, those are all additional future date tickets.
okay. Just I don't have any
Right. And then
any information.
Deontay Webb, the officer didn't show up, so I brought him to the main session.
Who was that?
Deontay Webb.
Okay, the officer's not here. Okay.
Mr. Webb, place your device on mute for me.
Okay. Okay, I'm ready for him. I'm not sure what to do on Williams. Because
What do you need?
well, I guess I need all the counts, all the charges that he's pleading guilty to.
Okay, well, let him know he's gonna be last because he has 21 tickets.
I understand. And maybe maybe I should plead him not guilty too and have him come back. I don't know.
No.
Okay, well, I'll deal with it. What's that?
Just let him know he'll be last because he has 21 tickets.
Okay. Boom, 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 boom.
Have you spoken with Brian Vincent or no?
I heard you mention the word Brian as I was leaving the.
Yeah, I was just asking, have you spoken with Brian Vincent or are you ready or anyone else I can bring out or no?
Brian Vincent. I don't have him on my list yet. Brian, you know, it's been here after be her. YAN. Does he have an offer in that you?
Yeah, I sent you all the offers, so you probably just haven't got it.
Yeah. Okay. I'll talk to him next. I gotta find the offer here.
Let's see.
What are you? How you doing? Good.
Now, I'm afraid Robert and Deontay Webb, the officer has not checked.
All right, Robert Zelinski,
Yes.
all right. Now calling the matter of the people versus Robert Zelinski. This is ticket number X 4028476. Count one, failed to stop clear within assured clear, failed to stop within assured clear distance accident. Count two is accident, failed to stop and or identify property damage accident, hit and run. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel.
May it please the court, Paula Cole on behalf of the people, P 31888.
Paul Faulkner, P 22994, representing the defendant. Your name, sir?
Robert Zelinski.
Your Honor, my client continues to his plea of not guilty. For both sides, we need a court date, a trial date to get the officer in.
Right. Sir, can you please raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You can put your hand down. Mr. Zelinski, you had a chance to talk to Attorney Faulkner in private about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
And he's informing me you want to have a bench trial. It's twofold so that we can get the officer here to see if we can make any offers, and also to give you the opportunity, if you would like to have this case heard before me, so that I can listen and, based on the facts, make the decision. Is that how you want to proceed, sir?
Yes.
All right, I'm gonna set this for the date of November 14th. November 14th, 9 a.m. It's gonna be Zoom. So the same way you Zoomed in today, sir, that's how you're gonna Zoom in for your bench trial. And it's gonna
Okay.
be at 9 a.m.
Yes.
Bond is set at $0 personal.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. If there's nothing further, I'll see you back November 14th, sir, via Zoom, 9 a.m., okay?
Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day, sir.
You too.
Mr. Webb? You can unmute
Yeah.
yourself. Okay. Yes,
How you doing?
I'm fine. How are you?
Good.
Good. Now calling the matter of the people versus Deontay Webb. This is ticket number 15464-184. Count one, unregistered motor vehicle. Count two, uninsured motor vehicle. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Paul Faulkner, representing the defendant. Your name, sir?
Deontay Webb.
Your Honor, today's date, time set for trial. The officer's not appeared. It's now 10:16 a.m. I'd move to dismiss.
All right. The time is now 10:16 a.m. No officer appearing. The court is going to grant your request and dismiss this matter without prejudice. Sir, you're all set for today, okay?
Okay.
All right. Have a good day.
All right.
Bye-bye.
Attorney Faulkner, have you spoken with Javon Williams? Are you ready on Javon Williams?
Excuse me, Judge.
Yeah.
I'm actually in this room. The Zoom call kind of disconnected, so I got put back here. I'm not sure if you guys wanted me to wait in the waiting room still.
Yes. So we'll put you back in there. Sometimes it drops the call. And so we'll just put you back in the room, okay?
Okay.
Okay, I'm Brandon Webb. It's a not guilty plea, Your Honor. See, here, yeah, there he is.
All right, now calling the matter of the people versus Brandon Webb. This is ticket number P 1237990. One count failed to secure low. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Paul Faulkner, represent the defendant. Your name, sir?
Brandon Webb.
Your Honor, my client continues to plea of not guilty with question of bench trial date.
Is that true, sir?
Yes.
And so please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth? Is your right hand raised?
Yeah.
Do you swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You can put your hand down. Did you have a chance to talk to Attorney Faulkner about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
Did anyone, and it's my understanding that you want to have a bench trial. That's a trial before myself as the trier and finder of facts. Is that how you want to proceed?
Yes.
I'm going to set it for the date of November 14th, 2022. That's going to be at 9 a.m. It is via Zoom, so the same way you zoomed in today, you're going to zoom in on that day. I'm going to set your bond at $0 personal, and we'll see you back here November 14th via Zoom, 9 a.m., okay?
All right.
All right, have a good day.
Okay, you too. Thank you.
All right, bye-bye.
Bye.
Has the Don Wilkinson checked in? I don't find him in the breakout room.
Oh, here you go, here you go.
Oh, he did check in. He might have.
Yeah, he must have checked out. I don't see him. Okay, well, if he comes back, fine. Okay, let's see what else I have here. All right, can I go give a plug for my phone?
Yeah.
I'm running out of, just take me 1 second.
Okay.
we go. Web. Williams. Mary,
Yes.
Curtis Walden. There's 3 count or 1 count listed on the docket for draw license suspended and 2 civil infractions, which I don't have. And I need to know that what count 3 is. They want him to plea on that. I don't
Count
know.
3 is no valid registration certificate.
Okay, let's see now. This is no valid registration. And count 2 was,
Count 2. Count 2 is no proof of insurance.
okay, I got it. Thanks, Judge.
You're welcome.
We'll talk to him real quick again.
Okay.
Who I got here? Walden. Curtis Walden. Come on, Curtis. Where'd you go? Okay, well, just have to wait for you, Curtis. Real Washington.
Mr. Brown?
His name is Darnell or Darrell Webb or Brandon Webb. Curtis,
Oh,
I'm sorry, Curtis. That's Curtis Walden under James Brown's name.
Okay,
That's correct, sir, isn't it? Mr. Walden?
You don't even have audio right now, Mr. Attorney Clark.
What is it?
Damn it all.
Which one? Curtis Baldwin.
Curtis?
Yes, my
Okay.
phone was moving. I just figured it out.
Okay, you're Curtis Walden though, right?
Yes,
Okay. Your Honor, we're ready on Mr. Walden. It's a plea. Oh, she's not in?
Step out for a minute. That's all.
Okay, I'll go in the breakout room for someone else then, in the meantime.
Okay. Officer Hale?
Morning. I had called earlier. I was in Judge Perkins' room and I checked in earlier.
Right. I don't know if the attorney needs to speak with you or the
No.
prosecutor.
I have not spoke with the attorney yet.
Right. I don't know if they need to speak with you. So when he comes back, oh, there go attorney. Attorney
Who's
Faulkner.
who's he on? Who you on, officer?
I have a Carolyn Israel, if I'm pronouncing that right.
Yeah, okay, well, I'm waiting for the city attorney to come back in.
Okay.
I am here for, I'm sorry, I don't know if it's too late, but I'm here for. Davis C. I got SP.
Attorney Faulkner, were you ready for someone else or no?
No, I can go get them. I got a couple of your offers. I'm still talking to them.
Okay, that's fine.
I'm going for Don. You know, I have Don, no, let's see, Don Darrell Washington. Do I have an offer on him? Yeah, okay, I'm good. Darrell Washington.
Want to verify a case?
No? Wait, you, I didn't say. Okay. That's the one you were talking about. Okay. Oh. Mm-hmm. Oh. Yeah, probably that was good for it. Yeah, the same review to be held in front of Judge Taylor, yes. Okay, thanks.
So we got it.
He gonna bring it up. Oh, so. he said, the finish about, oh, right, how do you- oh. Did he check in? Did he open it? Yeah, yeah. Is he on the y'all doing?
You never checked in.
Oh, you never checked in?
I'll be ready to take.
Oh. He was just- Yeah. Because he's gonna write a positive letter. Yeah. She be going on this thing.
Wow, that was really bad. I didn't have to read it, but I saw that in the box.
Have you feel over here? Okay. Just a what? Oh. Okay.
Keep that up there.
Over
Over there.
I probably won't read one.
Feel,
Is that what you feel?
what I feel. She was trying to regulate what I can do with my life.
On Henry U,
Yeah.
YU, I got one count that they want them to dismiss, but I don't have the count they want them to plead on. I got 571, count one, I got it, no operator's license.
All right, count they wanted to plead to is drive unregistered untitled vehicle. It's not set on my docket until December 9th of 2020.
Okay, but it's unregistered, okay. All I need to know. I got a couple out here ready to go, Judge, or I had a couple.
Right. I'll take care of them.
The Darrell Washington, I believe, is ready.
Mr. Washington,
Yes.
you turn on your camera for me, please. Now calling the matter of the people versus Darrell Washington. This is ticket P 126200606. Let me make sure I'm gonna repeat that one more time. P 1262006. Count one, drive unregistered or untitled vehicle. Count two, no insurance misdemeanor. Count three, tinted windows. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Paul Faulkner, representing the defendant, in your name, sir?
Yes.
Your name?
Darrell Washington.
Your Honor, there is an offer. My client does accept it. I know he pleads on one. I'm not sure. We had it. Let's see, Darrell Washington.
It's one count, he'll plead to the drive unregistered untitled vehicle. The remaining two counts will be dismissed. Do you want to take advantage of that today, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
Please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You can put your hand down. Did you have a chance to talk to Attorney Faulkner about your case and about your rights, sir?
Yes.
Did anyone threaten, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty of your own choice?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
And do you understand that by taking the guilty, you're going to give up any rights that you may have had to have a trial in the future?
Yes.
Understanding all of that, do you still want to move forward today, sir?
Yes.
I want to take your attention back to the date of October 12th of 2021. Were you in the area of Finkel and Schaefer in the city of Detroit driving a Chrysler vehicle?
I think it was Bacon and Hubble, but yes.
Was it that area though?
Yes.
And while you were driving that vehicle, was it unregistered or untitled at the time?
Yes.
Satisfied, Attorney Faulkner?
Satisfied, Your Honor, and stipulate the probable cause on the other two.
Thank you so much. So at this time, the court's gonna enter a plea of 1 count drive unregistered or untitled vehicle, dismiss the remaining 2 counts on this ticket. Sir, my fine is $200. How long will that take you to pay? 30 or 60 days?
30 days.
Okay, I'll make it due no later than October 3rd, 2022, okay, sir?
Yes.
All right. If there's nothing further, thank you for your patience this morning. Have a good day.
You too. Thank you.
I will, thank you. Officer Hale, who are you here on?
I'm here on Carolyn Israel.
We're waiting for John to get back, Your Honor, Mr. Gillis.
Cool. All right, cool. Okay. Are you ready on Curtis Walden?
Curtis, yes.
Okay, Mr. Walden, you can unmute yourself.
Yes.
Now calling the matter of the people versus Curtis Walden. This is ticket P 1259607. Count 1, drove while license suspended. Count 2, no proof of insurance. Count 3, no valid registration certificate. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Paul Faulkner, representing the defendant. Your name, sir?
Curtis Walden.
Your Honor, there is an offer. I believe it's plead responsible to no proof of insurance. Or no registration, I think he please own.
Is that right, sir? You want to take advantage of that offer today?
Yes.
All right, it's a plea of responsible, no valid registration certificate. I'm going to read it off of the ticket today, that on the date of October 12th, 2021, in the area of Grand River and Evergreen in the city of Detroit, Mr. Walden was driving a Ford vehicle and had no valid registration certificate. Satisfied, attorney?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
Stipulation for probable cause on the remaining counts to be dismissed.
Yes, Your Honor.
So at this time, the court's gonna enter a plea to 1 count, no valid registration certificate. The remaining 2 counts, counts 1 and 2, will be dismissed. Let me get the fine for it. Give us 1 second, I just gotta figure out. All right, the ticket fine for this is $90. You typically have 14 days to be able to pay it. Is that gonna be enough time for you, sir?
How many days, ma'am?
14 for $90.
Yeah, well, can I get 30? Because I kind of like failed on hard time.
Okay. Is 30 days gonna be enough time, Mr. Walden?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll give you to October the 3rd. How about that?
Yes.
Okay, October 3rd, you need to have this payment due, okay?
Okay, so when I pay it, will I be able to, will my license be back, valid?
So as long as you don't have any additional reinstatement fees you need to pay, then it'll send clearance to the Secretary of State's office, letting them know that now you can apply to have your license renewed if you need to, okay?
Okay, thank you.
All right, City of Detroit, the only place you have tickets, sir?
Hi,
I said, City of Detroit, the only place you have tickets?
yes,
Okay, then as long as you clear these up, you should be okay. You should be, okay?
okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day, Mr. Warden.
You too, ma'am.
All right, bye-bye.
Uh.
Now we have the officer here. I think you're waiting.
Oh. Yeah, I mean. Mr. Faulkner gets back. Oh.
I'm right here. I'm just looking in the break. On who was her, what was her name?
Israel. Miss
Israel. She's the one I talked to earlier.
Yep.
She has her and her husband have a car together now, and it has insurance and it has registration.
Okay, and were you able to verify that?
Yes.
Okay, all right. Well, then we will go ahead and dismiss that.
The officer is here.
Okay. Did you hear that, Officer Hill?
Yes, I heard it.
Okay, are you all right with that?
Yeah, I'm fine with it.
Okay. All right, thank you. I will write that up.
I'm bringing. Yeah, can we bring in Miss Israel? I couldn't get her in or out. Mary?
Yes, I tried to bring her up.
Oh, okay. I didn't know if there she is.
Hi.
She was just bashful.
All right. Now calling the matter of the people versus Carolyn Israel. This is ticket P1250476. This is one count, no insurance misdemeanor. Today is the date and time set for a bench trial in this matter. Appearances for the record, starting with Counsel Faulkner, please.
Paul Faulkner, representing the defendant. Your name, ma'am?
Carolyn Israel.
Your Honor, the city has recommended a dismissal in both counts.
So at this time, the court is going to dismiss this matter. It's just the one matter, right? Dismiss this
Oh,
matter.
one
without
matter.
prejudice.
I'm sorry, Your Honor.
Okay, the court is going to dismiss this matter without prejudice for having valid documentation. Ms. Yuzuru, I know you learned some lessons in this case. Make sure that you know, even if it's family, you gotta make sure, okay?
Oh, yes, definitely.
If there's nothing further, you're all set, ma'am. You have a good day.
Thank you so much. You too.
Okay.
Appreciate you all.
And Officer Hill was here today. Officer Hill, for the record, did appear. At this time, you're all set to go, sir, and you be safe, okay?
All right, thank you, Your Honor. Have a wonderful day.
You too. Everybody's good. Thank you.
Okay, so am I free to go too?
You're all set. You have a
All
great
right.
rest of your day, okay?
Thank you. You too. Bye-bye.
Oh, yeah, shit. Oh, man. Where are we here? Brian Vincent. Sylvester Wright, I can't get out. He's on the phone.
Okay.
Here he is. It's not guilty plea.
Mr. Wright, can you hear us okay?
Yes, ma'am. I'm pretty good. Thank you.
Now calling the matter of the people versus Sylvester Wright. This is ticket number P1220633. Count one, entering a vacant dwelling without owner's written permission. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Paul Faulkner, representing the defendant. Your name, sir?
Sylvester Wright.
Yeah, this is a case of ID theft. And he's pleading not guilty, which he has a few times, I think.
All right.
Yes.
Is that right, sir?
Yes.
Okay. How is he going to proceed in this matter?
Well, he wants it dismissed, but I told him I don't have a legal basis for that at this time. So we'd ask for a bench trial
Okay.
date.
Is that right, sir? You would like a bench trial in this matter?
Yes, I would very much.
Okay. If so, please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, you can put your hand down. Did you have a chance to talk to an attorney about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
And it's my understanding you want to have a bench trial. That's a trial before myself as the trier and finder of fact. Is that right, sir?
Yes.
All right. So I'm going to set this for a bench trial on the date of 11/14. That's November the 14th at 9 a.m. Now for my bench
Yes, ma'am.
trials, I need to see you, sir. So are you going to be able to get onto your device somehow or get on a device where you can download the Zoom app so I can physically see you?
I hope so, because I don't have anybody to help me and I can't read. And because I had came all the way down to court this morning, police told me that the courts was open. I'm thinking I can walk in.
Yeah, we don't have in-person.
And I don't
hearings.
I don't have anybody to help me on nothing.
So we only have
Hello?
in-person. I know, Mr. Wright, I had to pause because I have a court reporter who you can't see who's taking the information down. So we can't talk at the same time, okay? So I just let you finish.
Okay, I apologize. Excuse me.
It's okay. Mr. Wright, would you like to come in person for your hearing since you have trouble with the technical aspects of this?
I would love to come in person.
All right, so I'll do an in-person trial
Yes.
that day. 9 a.m., sir, you need to check in and we'll make sure that we have your matter heard on 11/14/2022. It's gonna be in person. I'm gonna set your bond
Yes.
at $0 personal, okay?
Thank you, ma'am. I appreciate it.
You're very welcome. If there's nothing further, I'll see you November 14th, 9 a.m.
I will be there.
All right, sir, see you then.
All right. Thank you, ma'am. You have a blessed day.
You're welcome. You too, sir.
All right. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. I never, she had been like this.
Is Mr. Gillis available?
I am.
On YU,
Yep.
he has license and registration.
Okay. Let's see, I'm just pulling up. Were those the only tickets, Brittany?
Think so.
All right. Well, yeah, if you verified that. you can-
I have.
It's like just the driver's license ticket.
You satisfied, John?
I'm sorry, I muted it. He said if you're satisfied, something about satisfaction.
I don't get no.
I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. I realized I muted it. I said, oh no, he can hear. I'm sorry.
Yeah.
Are you satisfied, John, with what I told you?
I am. If you verified it, I'm
Okay, well,
satisfied.
I'll bring him out then. Okay. Let's see, you. We're ready in your honor, for dismissal.
Henry, you?
Yep.
All right. Now calling the matters of the people versus Henry Yu. This is ticket P 123257, count 1, driver's license expired. Also calling ticket number SP 13714461. That's 1 count drive unregistered or untitled vehicle. Appearances for the record, starting with council, please.
Paul Faulkner, representing the defendant. Your name, sir?
Henry.
Your full name?
Last name you.
Your Honor, I believe there is a written recommendation for dismissal on both counts in this matter. Stipulate the probable cause.
Thank you so much. So at this time, the court is going to dismiss these matters without prejudice. Sir, thank you for providing valid documentation. Make sure everything is always up to date and valid, okay?
Okay, thank you.
All right, you're welcome. Have a good day.
Yep, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Oh, man. Did you have an offer on Cal Young, Mr. Gillis?
Kelly Young, I don't know if I've ever seen that file. Let me, wait.
He's in a breakout room. Loudspeaker, no proof of insurance.
Attorney Faulkner?
Yes.
Okay, so the offer is, if he pleads responsible to count 2, they will amend it to blockading and dismiss count 1.
Dismiss, okay. Okay, I'll go in there. Let's see who we got. Cal Young.
I can give you dates. They need it.
Cal Young, we have a plea, Your Honor.
Now calling the matter of the people versus Kyle Young. This is ticket P 1260765. Count 1, loud music from motor vehicle more than 10 feet away. Count 2, no proof of insurance. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Can you say that again, ma'am?
Paul Faulkner, representing the defendant respondent. Your name, sir? What's your name again, sir? Mr. Young, what's your full name?
My name is Kyle Young, Kyle Harold Young.
Your Honor, there's an offer that the no proof of insurance be amended to blockading traffic and the other to be dismissed. My client would plead responsible.
Is that right, Mr. Young? You want to take advantage of that offer today?
Yes.
All right, I'm going to read from the ticket that on the date of October the 7th, 2021, in the area of Grand River and Glastonbury in the city of Detroit, Mr. Young was driving a BMW and did have no proof of insurance, therefore blocking traffic. Satisfied, Attorney Parker?
Satisfied, Your Honor. Stipulate the probable
Alright.
cause on the other one.
Thank you. So at this time, the court's gonna enter a plea to the amended charge responsible to blockading on count 2, dismiss count 1 of that ticket. Sir, the fine for that is $175. Typically, you have 14 days to be able to pay civil infractions. Is that gonna be enough time for you?
No, I think I'll need about 30 days.
Okay, I'm gonna make it due no later than October 3rd. October 3rd, 2022, okay, sir?
Okay,
All right, if there's nothing further, thank you for your patience today, okay, Mr. Young?
okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day, okay?
Okay, you too.
I will. Bye-bye.
So do I just leave the room, like leave the whole
Yeah, you
meeting?
can just sign off now. You go online and pay it, okay? We're not gonna send you anything in the mail. So just go online, look up your name, or come down to 36 and pay it, okay?
Okay, so I could pay it like on the 36th District Court website?
Yep. If you look up your
Okay,
name, you'll be able to pay it right there. You don't even have to come down here, okay, Mr. Young?
okay, thank you. Thank you.
You're
Y'all have a
welcome.
good day.
All right.
All right, thank you.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Your Honor, you have Javon Williams file in front of you, the offer? Something's not right.
That's not, we just have a Christopher Williams and a Brian Vincent left.
Okay. I think there's a, well, maybe not. Oh, I know who Javon Williams is. He's going last. He had 21 cases.
No, that's Christopher.
That's Christopher Williams. Javon Williams, I don't know what happened to him. He signed off, so
Oh,
don't
that's
worry about it.
Christopher Williams. Javon Williams, I have, okay. Then I got Wilkinson and Bryant Vincent.
Well, he signed off too. So, well, the only person who's on right now is Williams. Everybody else is logged off.
Okay, Williams, there's only one case, 3 counts listed on the docket.
No, we pulled out all his files, so let me tell you.
That's fine, but I didn't know which ones the counts he's pleading responsible to.
Right.
I think there was like 5 of them total.
So he's gonna plead to a limited access 60 and a 55 from a, let me see what type of ticket it was. It was a improper place as charged, a drive unregistered, untitled vehicle as charged. The disregard of red signal will be limited access 60 and a 55-mile-per-hour zone. And an expired plate and a no proof of insurance. With those 5 pleas, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 tickets will be dismissed.
Okay, I got 6 that he's pleading guilty on.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I only have 5.
Okay, I got, okay. Okay,
Okay.
I will talk to him real quick. I think he's gonna take it, but I have to read. So what we got on the, you have something on Bryant Vincent?
I don't. And he keeps disappearing, so I don't know where he went.
Okay. So where am I going to?
5.
Williams, Christopher Williams, okay. Christopher Williams. Okay, we're ready on Christopher Williams.
All right. All right, Mr. Williams. Oh, Mr. Williams has been here before.
I recognize him.
Okay. Now calling the matter of people versus Christopher Lee Williams. This is ticket number P133095, count 1. Improper plates, count 2. Drive unregistered or untitled vehicle, count 3. No insurance misdemeanor. Ticket number P1268574, count 1. No insurance misdemeanor, count 2. 6 to 10 miles over posted speed. Also calling, but not on the docket for today, ticket number SP13475071. Improper plates, count 2 on that ticket, drove unregistered or untitled vehicle. Ticket number SP134750, count 1, disregard signal red or amber, count 2, expired plate, count 3, no proof of insurance. Ticket number SP135777, count 1, improper plate, count 2, drive a registered untitled vehicle, count 3, no insurance misdemeanor. Ticket number SP1357941, expired plates. Ticket number SP1357943, count 1, improper plate. Count 2, sir, you cannot lie down in my courtroom. Count 2, drive unregistered or untitled vehicle. Count 3, no insurance misdemeanor. Ticket number SP1359260, count 1, improper plate. Count 2, no receipt of or of registration. Ticket number SP1392611, failed to use seatbelt assembly system effectively. Count 2 of that ticket is defective or missing equipment. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Paul Faulkner, representing defendant. Your name, sir?
Christopher Williams.
Your Honor, there is an offer. My client pleaded guilty or responsible to 5 different charges. The rest will be dismissed. I believe you have that list in front of you. You could interpret it better than I can.
Is he taking advantage of that offer? You broke up a little bit, Attorney Faulkner.
Yeah, he is accepting the offer, Your Honor.
Okay. Is that right, Mr. Williams?
Honor.
Yes.
All right, please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right, you can put your hand down. Did you have a chance to talk to an attorney about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
And did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty of your own choice?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
And do you understand that by taking this guilty plea today, you're going to give up any rights that you may have had to have a trial in the future?
Yes.
Understanding all of this, did you still want to move forward today?
Yes.
All right. Reading from the ticket, I want to take your attention back to the date of April the 28th of 2022. Were you at that time driving a vehicle in the area of Evergreen and Curtis in the city of Detroit? That would have been a Chrysler vehicle?
Yes.
And did it have improper plates on it at the time?
Yes.
Did you also drive it while it was unregistered or untitled?
Yes.
And reading from the tickets to establish a factual basis that on that same date, time, and location in that Chrysler vehicle, Mr. Williams did disregard a signal as well as had expired plates and no proof of insurance. Satisfied, Attorney Faulkner?
Yes, Your Honor.
Stipulation for probable
Stipulate
cause.
probable cause. Yes, Your Honor. I won't list them, but
All right, so at this time, the court's gonna enter a plea as charged to improper plates, drove unregistered or untitled vehicle, an amended plea to limited access 60 and a 55-mile-per-hour zone, and as charged for expired plates, as well as no proof of insurance. Sir, the no proof of insurance is $195. The expired plate ticket is $145, and the speeding ticket is $125. So that's $465. Typically with civil infractions, you only have 14 days to be able to pay. Is that gonna be enough time for that fine, sir?
Not at all.
How much time do you need, sir?
I need at least 2 months.
All right. The court's gonna give you until November the 1st, 2022 to have that $465 paid. On the remaining 2 tickets, on one of them, I am gonna charge you $200 because you have a lot of tickets and you kept driving over and over again, over and over again. $200 on one ticket. I'm gonna waive the cost and fines on the other ticket. I'm going to give you until December. Give you until December the 23rd to have that second ticket paid. Okay? $465 is due by November 1st. $200 is due by December 23rd, 2022. The remaining costs will be waived as well as the other 18 tickets, I believe it was.
16 tickets, Your Honor.
16, thank you, to be dismissed. All right, if there's nothing further, that concludes this hearing. All right, you're all set, Mr. Williams.
Okay, hold on. How do I pay the ticket though? What do I do? Go online or something?
So you can either go online at 36districtcourt.org, or you can physically come down to the courts to pay it, or you can go to one of the DivDat machines. Those are the machines around the city of Detroit that you pay other city bills. You can pay it there. So those are the options.
Okay, so like if I come up to the court, like, will I need to bring those tickets too?
No, you can tell them that you need to pay on the tickets. You can pay partial amount. You just have to pay at least $20. At least $20 every time you come. But you can just know the ticket that you need to pay on. You know, that's why it's important to write stuff down so you don't come down looking confused at the court. This is business.
Okay.
Okay, but they'll have it in the system. So they'll know that certain tickets are due by November the 1st, and they'll know that the last ticket is due by December 23rd.
Right.
Okay?
Okay.
Okay. All right.
Okay. Thank you.
All right, Williams, you're welcome. Have a good day.
You too.
There we go. Breakout room's empty, so
Yeah, that last person wasn't on our docket for today, Mr. Vincent.
I put him in the waiting.
Oh, she put him in the waiting room. Let me see.
That check.
Okay. I don't think he's on our docket for today. Mr. Vincent, you're not on our docket for today.
I couldn't find it.
Do you have a case number, sir?
My name is Don. I'm sorry, I didn't realize
Can't hear you at all.
I think he might be under a different, that's not his real name, Brian Vincent. I'm not sure.
Do you have an offer for Don Wilkerson, Attorney Faulkner?
No, I don't have anything.
I'm
I didn't
sorry. I
see one
said,
for him.
my name is Don Wilkerson. It's not Vincent.
Okay, well, I have Don Wilkerson.
You have the offer?
I can get.
What can you get?
Yeah.
Well, you said you have plates?
Yes, I had just left the dealership that day. I had never heard of this either, but they put the plates from my truck onto my car, and they said that they would be transferred, and they was. So now I got a title. I mean, I got a registration that says that plate number on this car.
Have it? Do you have it with you?
And when they pulled me over, they said that nothing in the computer said that, so it looked like I was driving with the
Do you have
plate
a
on.
copy of it, Mr. Wilkinson?
Yes. Yep, I got the registration. I'm sorry, can you hear me?
Yes.
No,
Yes.
because you need to move to a different part of your house that has better reception.
Put it up on the screen, Mr. Wilkinson.
Okay, I'm moving.
Okay.
Put it up closer
Can
to
you
the
hear me better
screen.
now?
Closer to the screen. Not legible. I can't, or at least the light. Okay, there you go. 2017 Chevy. Move it to your right, just a little. Expires 5/26/22.
I'm sorry. Okay, I may have another one, but this is the one they sent me afterwards.
Yeah. What's the date of the ticket, Yonner? Do you have?
March 18th.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So that was valid at
So
March
his
18th.
other ticket on there is passed on the right. So that's why the offer was blockaded.
Okay.
As far as that was concerned,
Should I go into a break
You should, because he's gonna start talking to you, and then I'll try to
room
get
with him?
some
Or
deals out here for you.
He was in one.
he was in room 1.
Yeah.
Thank
Can you go?
Yes.
Can you go back to your breakout room, sir?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. Yeah, go back to breakout room 1. This is the clerk.
We're ready to proceed, Your Honor.
All right.
Be responsible.
Yes.
Now calling the matter of people versus Don Wilkerson. This is ticket number P13066869. Count 1, improper plates. Count 2, pass on right. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
And Don Wilkerson.
Paul Faulkner, representative.
Sorry, I'm
Your name,
moving up.
sir? Your Honor, my client accept
Hold on a minute, everybody.
the offer of pleading
Attorney Faulkner,
responsible
you
to
have
reduce from
internet connection?
passing on the right. I think so. You can't hear me?
I can hear you.
It's like
I can hear you. I'm
delayed. Right, it's
Yeah.
delayed. I just want everybody to stop for a moment so that we can get it back together. Hold on a second. All right. Say your name for the record, Attorney Faulkner. We're gonna try it again.
Paul Faulkner, representing the defendant, Your Honor. Your name, sir?
Don Wilkerson.
Your Honor, my client accepts the offer of plea. Responsible to blockading traffic. You got that look on your face. You don't hear me.
I hear you now.
I hear you, but it's
Oh,
broken
okay.
up. So he's gonna plead to blockading. Is that right, Mr. Wilkerson? You're gonna take a plea on blockading today?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, so from the ticket that on the date of March the 18th, 2022, in the area of Finkel and Schaefer, Mr. Wilkerson was driving a Chevy vehicle and did block traffic by passing on the right. Satisfied, Attorney Faulkner?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
All right, stipulation for probable cause on count 1 to be dismissed because of valid documents.
Yes, Your Honor.
So at this time, the court's gonna enter a plea of responsible to the amended charge of blockading, 0-point offense, sir.
Yes.
Doesn't extract, okay? The fine
Yes,
for that is $175. Typically, the fine is due 14 days after you take the plea, like today. Is that gonna be enough time, sir?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, I'll have it due no later than September 15th. September 15th, sir.
Yes, Your Honor. Thank you.
No problem. If there's nothing further, you're all set, Mr. Wilkerson. You have a good day, okay?
You do the same.
I will. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.